Design and edit your image using your computer and preferred design program. When printing on transparent heat transfer paper, you must mirror the image prior to printing. Always print using a high-quality photo print setting or equivalent. Load your inkjet printer with Hayes Paper Co. paper. The white side is the correct side to print on. The back will have a grid. You can cut your design by hand using scissors or by using an electronic cutting machine. It is important to cut close to your image, otherwise there will be a visible border on the edge. Preheat your heat press to 365 degrees Fahrenheit and set to medium pressure. Pre-press your fabric at 365 degrees for 5 seconds to remove wrinkles and excess moisture. Position your image in the desired position on your fabric, image facing down. Place protective paper over your heat transfer and press for 15 to 25 seconds. Remove the protective paper and let the transfer cool. It is important to note that your transfer has to be completely cooled before removing the backing. Once the transfer has cooled, you can gently remove the backing to reveal your image.